All right, hey everyone, this is Mike Collette from Prototype Training Systems. I want to make this tutorial video for you on how to perform the half kneeling landmine press. This is a great pressing variation that's not quite a vertical press, but a great option if there are any issues from a vertical position, shoulder issues, and etc. But continue to build on strength with this exercise and maybe isn't a limiting movement for shoulder mobility, but also a great accessory exercise in general, even if you don't have shoulder issues. So if you notice the setup position here, I'm in a half kneeling position. That is down is the side that I'm going to be pressing from. You'll be able to see the angle in a second. My hand is just slightly above my shoulder, and when we go into the angle here, we're about a fist width position from the bar to my shoulder. So go through a few reps on the back side here. Notice how it's just a slight lean in as I press the barbell. So again, back to that setup position, I'm about a fist width. So the head of the barbell from my shoulder. So a couple things to notice here. My torso is nice and vertical. My knee is stacked under my hip, under my shoulder. That barbell is slightly out in front, again, about a fist width from my shoulder to the head of the barbell. My hand position's on the end of the barbell. This will allow you to be able to put weight on the bar. My recommendation would be to use the smaller metal plates if you have them versus the bigger, bulkier bumper plates. So it's just, more room to be able to fit some weights on. You don't need to go crazy with how much weight's going to be on the bar here. But from this position, you're going to take a deep breath in and brace, and it's a press and slight lean in. So the finished position is that arm in line with the ear at the top. Again, notice I'm slightly pushing my hip forward into this position. Bring back down, nice controlled, and then lean in for that press. Okay. Now, just a couple other things in terms of setup position. So the best option would be the landmine devices, which you can find in some facilities, or you may even have the landmine device, which is essentially a device that you can put the barbell in, and it allows the bar to rotate as you press. It's not 100% necessary to have, to be honest. So all you need is just something that's a fixed position that you can get that barbell wedged into. So I use a couple plates here for that. You can see kind of out to the side, right in between, pause right there. Got a couple bumper plates with the bar just kind of wedged in between, and I have it against an upright here. You could also put that against the wall. You also could just push it against the wall. That's fine. The only problem there is that the bar could start to slide and push against the wall, and it may start to damage your wall. So if you don't want to do that, then use something like this setup that I have here for that landmine position. But again, just a couple points of performance to go over again. Vertical torso, the same side knee is down that you're going to be pressing from. That bar is about a fist width from your shoulder in this pressing position. You're grabbing the end of the barbell, and then you're leaning into it as you press, finishing with that arm in line with the ear. That is the half kneeling arm landmine.